Hi everyone, today we are going to answer this question, which is Delhi sustainable? Well, the short answer is no. Let's see why. Now, where Delhi achieves sustainability. Number one is alternative energy. The metropolis is rapidly changing towards eco friendly, not only for environmental issues but for high demand of electricity when the coal prices are skyrocketing. While wind and hydropower can only be done commercially, the solar panels are being used in residential areas. If you want to contribute to the solar transition, you can go to www.tatasolarpower.com to help in the climate change. Number 2 is Delhi's public transport. So, the present transport. The transport not only achieves in trains and buses, but the other Indian transport types. For example, the cycle rickshaw, the auto rickshaw, and the e-rickshaw. These smaller types of transport also hold a large majority in the types of transport used. Future transport. The EV market is trending in India. So the automakers like Tesla are entering the market. Tesla CEO Elon Musk claims that he has problems entering the market. So Tesla is delayed for a while. Tata took advantage of this delay and is now preparing to manufacture EVs by 2035. It is expected that EVs will become a common part of daily life in Indians. Then, number 3, the internet. The internet has changed everything for nearly everyone. In the olden times, for Indians, they had to wait for a month for the letters to move between the sender and the receiver. Nowadays, you can use WhatsApp, Snapchat, and many other social networking websites to contact anyone in the world within a minute. Currently, everyone in Delhi also feels their life changed with the instant messaging. Already, most of the city's population has a phone, and with Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Jio, the ownership of phones is spreading like wildfire. So that's all the good points about this sustainability. Now, let's see where it needs to improve. Number 1 will be Delhi's energy production. While the government shows the climate change fight, the city still relies on fossil fuels. But not to worry anymore, as over the years the transition is happening. Number 2 is the worst problem Delhi faces, which is the crop remains burned after the harvest in Punjab and Haryana. Currently, this is the worst pollution cause and is not even the fault of the city. It happens in the winter months and creates a crisis every time as education centers are closed. Offices either switch to online or also get temporarily closed, and the list goes on. The issue will take years or even decades until all farmers agree to stop burning all of their crop remains. And finally, we are going to talk about lack of infrastructure. As we talked before about the solar panels which are being installed on the top of homes, the government can do the commercial part, which is the wind and hydro part. First is wind energy. The wind energy is growing, no doubt, but the supply just does not match with the demand, so they have to do better in this sector. Second will be the hydropower. The Yamuna River is a major river flowing right through the city's area, making it a good spot. But seeing it's also a holy river, it may take some time before any plans are made. So then, that's all the key points explained in a short time. Thank you for watching Urban Rights.